Hello, it's us. It's Dexter, the Griswolds and me out on our regular little nature trail. And today I brought the Nikon D3100 and 18 to 55 kit lens. It's like turning the clock back to 2011, isn't it? Doing that. So we'll see what we can get with that combination today. Have a little bit of fun. I'm just going to shoot JPEGs. Got no tripod with me. The lens does have what do Nikon call it? Vibration reduction, is it? I think so, something like that. That's their image stabilization system in the lens. So I'll be using that. The camera, of course, has no IBIS. But yeah, I think if you are going to be buying something like this D3100 now, or even an equivalent kind of like camera, you are just going to be like shooting it for fun. That's the way I see it anyway. So that's not to say you can't get some really nice images with it. I started my digital photography journey with this very camera and lens, and I'll put up squirrels. I'll put up some images I shot with this very combo on screen for you to see right now. But otherwise, we're just going to do our usual. Have a little stroll, see what we can see, photograph what we can photograph. Dexter's excited already because he knows this is the walk where he sees squirrels all the time. So yeah, there we are. I'll see you later when I find something interesting to photograph, or maybe not. Straight away spotted this these ferns or bracken. Ferns, they aren't they? They're dying back, and I really like the textures and the different shades of brown that you get in them. So this is going to be first image. Yeah, I'll probably be shooting them all wide open. I mean, the lens is f3.5 to 5.6 on APS-C, so most of it's going to be in focus anyway. But yeah, there's some really nice, really light coloured bracken at the back, and you've got like the darker brown stuff down there. So I think that this might make for quite a decent image. Just as I was getting that shot, Bethan found these catkins growing. So I'll try and get a shot of those now. What's it called? Is it pussy willow catkins? Yeah, remember those from being a kid? Shot some lovely images of them along this walk in the past, and if I can find it, I'll pop one of them up now. But I'm gonna grab this shot of these low-hanging catkins. What's he seen?
I've seen a robin.
Oh, right. All right, where are they?
Gone now.
Gone. Oh, typical. Never mind. We see him later. This tree trunk has caught my eye. Lovely sort of furry, mossy vine growing up it. So I'm gonna grab a picture of that. I've switched to manual focus on the lens. Don't think the autofocus was doing it any favours. Probably the lens is way out of calibration. I've no idea, but yeah, I switched to manual, and hopefully my eyes will hold up. Anyway, let's grab this one. Just took a picture of Llansamlet's Everglades. A lot of algae on that pond now. Might make for something reasonable though, you never know. Marked difference now in this area to the spring and summer, when it was overgrown with like blackberry bushes and whatnot. And I think obviously that storm we had a week ago, last weekend. I'm filming this on the 15th. Storm we had a week ago would have flattened a lot of those now. More of this lovely bracken, look. Oh, bracken. Ferns. Oh dear. This is It's the hardest part of this walk for me because it's uphill, and I really struggle, even though I've got my walker. It's a real struggle. Right, put you down. I have no idea what these images are going to look like. I say this camera was up the loft for 13 years, 12 years? Yeah, 12 years. So, you know, I don't know, it could be fungus and I don't know, whatever. But we'll see what they look like. It's only a bit of fun, isn't it? Only a bit of fun. But, you know, I did D3100 is a great camera to start off with. You know, it's what I kicked off my digital photography life with. There's some evidence of the storm damage. You got a branch down here, and they've obviously cut it off there to clear the path. And there's another one there that would have been snapped off. And this one is completely uprooted. So it was a fair old wind that blew through here the other day. Evidence of how strong those winds were then, isn't it? Because that's taken this tree right out the ground. Wow. That is some violence in it. That is some wind power. I really enjoy walking on this little pathway we've got here. I must have done it, I don't know, 100 times now. I never get bored. Never get bored of it. There's always something new and different to see. Like I haven't seen the lake like that for a while. Oh, I took a picture on the way here. I think I might take another one now on the way back, actually, because it is nice, isn't it? Right then, let's get a picture of this. Oh well, I think that's pretty well done. I have no idea what these pictures look like. Whether they're in focus, whether they're noisy, whether they're sharp, whether they're... I have no idea. The resolution on the back of the D3100 screen isn't all that. So we'll soon see when we get back. But I'm going to post them no matter what. No matter what. And I would recommend anybody starting out and, you know, want to move on for your phone or whatever, get a cheap interchangeable lens camera, you know, one that you can experiment with. And if you don't like it, then it doesn't matter. You can just probably, you know, sell it for what you bought it for and, you know, move on to something else. But if you do find you enjoy it, then, you know, you've got some lenses to maybe improve the body or whatever. Get yourself a little bit more resolution. You know, move along the digital evolutionary trail, you know, forever improving. Anyway, we'll see you all tomorrow. Until then, be nice, all right? Ta-da.